Warning, this video contains a lot of wheelies. Don't tell YouTube.
Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to happen.
What is going on, Dank fam? Special treat for you today. We're out here at Orlando Stunt Spot for my boy Forrest's birthday party. And I ain't seen no cake yet, but we did find this beautiful FZ-07. First one that I've ever had a chance to ride, stunted out. So we're about to hop on it for the first time and see how she rides. But would you believe that Mr. Nasty Nate owns this puppy? This is his R6 right here. This thing is like the top-notch stunt bike right around here. Is there anything else you can do to that R6?
What?
Is there any other parts you can put on the R6? No. No, it's like maxed out? Yeah, that's the epitome.
He's up here.
Oh, behind the pad?
Right
okay.
Rear brakes are stalled.
Alright. We're gonna get right to it, people. Is this? Yeah, it's a little...
Yeah, they're rubber mounted.
Yeah, I know. I know Jake the garden snake hates that thing. So this thing's got the step plate right here. Got adjustable sub cage, exhaust system. About to get hit by a Grom. These bikes are really nice. They're really torquey bikes. Arguably the new age stunt bike that a lot of people are switching over to. A lot of people overseas rocking them. MT-07, FZ-07. All that shit. So we'll start off with a nice little sit down. Should be relatively easy. Yeah, this thing rips. It's fun to just mess with the throttle a little bit, not to stay locked in it. So easy. Oh yeah, taking that turn. Yeah, it's such an easy bike to ride. It's so nice. Birthday boy out here. Hell yeah, this thing's fresh. Yeah, I gotta find an idle on this thing if he has one. Alright, down here it looks like. Alright, we're at like 4,500 RPMs. Wonder how tricky no-handers would be. Second gear no-handers, probably the move. I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm just having too much fun on this bike. Alright guys, I might need to get me an FZ-09 build going on. What do you guys think? This is a really fun bike. Like the no-handers or something else. The balance point's a little higher than you'd expect. Such a fun, easy bike to get used to though. It's right up there. I don't think it's as easy to get used to as like a CX6R, like an inline 4, but I don't know, the way this guy's got it set up, you got your crash protection, your handbrake, and that's about it. Not a whole lot of extra goodies on here. So easy to like cut around and get comfy with it. Alright, so that's about it on this FZ-07. Thoroughly impressed with it. What do you guys think of this bike? It's pretty damn dope. Let's bully a Grom. Top speed real quick. Heck yeah. So basically what my boy Nate, who owns this bike, said it's a dirt bike with street bike suspension. Good way to sum it up. Oh, okay. Yeah, I forgot about the roller test. Cole got himself a KTM. I think that's next to test ride. I had one of these for like a week. What? This thing's a fucking turd. You know Cisco's watching too. People. Alright, quite longer test ride than I thought. Yeah, he's like, he's on it for a hot minute. He must like that thing. So 16 FZ-07, not too stunted out. You just got the 12 bar with some tie, handbrake bracket from NDC, a little exhaust for sound, adjustable sub cage, front cage, and that sums it up, people. And your handbrake and all that good stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I'm out of breath. And like always, keep it dank. Later.
It's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow.